I lead with empathy and compassion, understanding the struggles of others and working toward positive change. I am resilient, rising above personal hardships and challenges with strength and determination. I honor my sense of duty, fully committed to serving and uplifting those who rely on me. I am unafraid to express my emotions authentically, building trust and connection with those around me. I adapt to change gracefully, staying open-minded and flexible as new ideas and challenges arise. I think strategically, understanding the long-term impact of my relationships and alliances. I attend to every detail, knowing that careful reflection and documentation enrich my decisions. I possess a strong work ethic, dedicated to my responsibilities and the greater purpose I serve. I am politically astute, skillfully navigating partnerships and using my influence thoughtfully. I remain curious and open to progress, embracing advancements that keep me connected to a changing world.